Thanks for watching this video, A Consumer's Guide to Long-Term Care Insurance, or better titled, How to Get the Best Coverage for the Best, and what we mean by that, lowest rates. My name is Jesse Sloan. I'm Director of the American Association for Long-Term Care Insurance. We're a trade organization. We don't sell insurance. We advocate and educate both consumers and insurance professionals. After watching this video, if you have questions, please speak to the insurance professional that sent you the link to this video, or call our offices and we'll be only too happy to connect you with one. If you're shopping for long-term care insurance for the first time, there are a couple of very important facts that I believe you need to know. The first is that rates, the premiums that you'll pay, vary significantly for virtually identical coverage. Every year, our association does a price index, and the slide that you're looking at has the 2015 rates. And what you can see is real examples for a single male age 55 or a single female age 55. What we show is the lowest rate available and the highest rate available. The important fact to know is that no single company ever has the lowest rate, or no single company ever has the highest rate. They each have sweet spots, as I call it, particular types of men, females, married couples, etc., where they have the most attractive rate. And so the important thing that you're going to want to do is compare. And I'll explain how you do that later on in this presentation. The second fact that you need to understand is that your health, when you're applying for this coverage, matters more than you could ever imagine. The little image on the left, again, every year we do a study of people who have actually taken the time to apply for long-term care insurance. And as you can see, between ages 60 and 69, 1 out of 4 people who actually apply are declined for coverage. It gets higher as we get older. And the reasons for the declines are pretty standard across the board. These are the top 5. But again, each of the companies has their own height and weight tables. Some will accept you if you have certain conditions, take a certain combination of medications. Others won't. So again, if you're taking prescription medications or if you have some marginal health conditions, and what I describe by that is everybody who calls us says they're in great health. They're really in great controlled health, meaning that they take prescription drugs to keep them in good health. That's something the insurance company is going to look at, and that again is a reason for you to compare. So costs vary, acceptable health varies, and 2 more things vary that are very important to you. That's the expertise of the insurance agent that you're working with and their access to policies. And here's what I mean by that. Some insurance agents are only familiar with 1, maybe 2 insurance policies. Those are the ones they're going to represent. Today, it takes a specialist, typically, who focuses on this business, and they will then be familiar with many more of the insurance products out there, and they will compare them. These are the questions that you want to ask. The third one is the most important. The 2 words that you want to become acquainted with and ask are, how many long-term care insurance companies are you appointed with? Appointed means the agent can actually sell you the policy. Clearly, an agent's only going to earn a commission on a policy that they can sell you. So it's like buying a car. When you go onto the Ford dealership, you know that that salesman's going to sell you a Ford. He's not going to sell you a Toyota. With long-term care insurance, the way to ascertain how many insurance company policies the agent can actually represent and sell you is to ask how many insurance companies they're appointed with. So thanks for watching this presentation. I'm going to conclude with a couple of web pages that you might also want to visit for more information. But if you have questions or if you'd like to get no obligation costs and information on specific policies from an endorsed long-term care insurance professional, please call the number on your screen, 818-597-3227. And for more information, here are 3 shortcuts to pages on the association's website, aaltci.org /guides will take you to a page where you can access 6 different guides that I've written, and have appeared in Kiplinger's Personal Finance magazine. There's no sign-in information required to access them. They're free, and you can just click and read them. The second page is /ideas. On that page, we actually list real situations, real people who have worked with specialists, and where in those real situations, the specialist has enabled them to either get better coverage for the same money or even better coverage for less money. And I think you'll enjoy reading some of those real situations. And the last one is /videos, where you can watch more videos that we have posted for consumers like you. So thanks again for watching. If you have questions or you would like a no-obligation quote, please click the button on our website to access it, or call our offices. We're only too glad to help you. Thanks.